when we ancestors get you, they've been going seeking in the wilderness and things like that, the bush shop and the brush shop. Then in the 1800, come these prayers house and thing. Great day. The children been going in evangelists and thing during the Great Awakening in the 1850s and learn all this shop with the Bible and thing and the Lord hymn and thing. But great God gave them the spirituals and then start for shout. So even now, 100 children are going through the Gullah Geechee Nation from Jacksonville, North Carolina, down to Jacksonville, Florida. Even now, the children still, the water baptized. The children still, they're going on to show for how on the field when you come out the wilderness. After them bring on up out this your water and things like that. Even now, the day, we ancestors still deal with we must shout every day or through this line what we call the sea islands. You have a way, you have a way for going in on to the prayers house. Because now the day, we did the prayers house. For the church, been at the prayers house. The prayers house and thing, still a stand. 100 children, make sure 100 carry on. 100 keep on shouting.